What is black box testing? Testing conducted without knowing the internal workings of the software. That is called black box testing. What does that mean? That means when you do the testing, you just provide some inputs to the system, you will get some output. So you're only concerned about the input and the output. The application under test or the system under test is just a black box for you. You don't know what is inside of that, right? There is a code behind it, but you're not concerned about how the application is made. What is the code running, right? You're only concerned about the behavior of the application. You don't need to have programming knowledge for performing black box testing. Now let's take an example. Okay, here you can see a user authentication screen. So for testing these, how do you test? You just enter a username, password, and click the login button, and you check the behavior of the system, right? You don't need to worry about how the application is made. Okay, there could be some code behind it, some structures like maybe classes or methods, okay, loops, branches, something can be there, right, behind the scene, but you don't need to worry about it. For you, it's just a black box. You don't need to worry about the internal workings or the internal structure of the application. You are just concerned about the behavior of the application. You provide some input and check the behavior or the output of the application. That is black box testing.